Hey guys, my name's David. On this episode, I'm going to show you how to build a raised bed from a pallet. So as you can see, I have multiple pallets behind me. Some of them are filled. I'm kind of halfway through this project, frantically trying to get my soil all set up so I can start planting, because really there's some things I should be planting right now. I'm going to put together a bunch of these right now and I'll take you through the process. It's pretty simple of how to set one of these up. So first off, what you're going to need is a pallet. Typically, if you go to like hardware stores like Home Depot, there's a local one here. We don't have Home Depot here, but they'll have a section where they have free pallets. For pallets, I'll just give you a quick rundown of what you want to do. You want to make sure that you find one that is rated HT, which means heat treated. There'll be a sticker, or there'll be a little branding somewhere on the pallet. Okay, so on this one, on the very end here, it says HT Canada. So any pallets made in Canada aren't allowed to use the brimethylene, whatever, blah, 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 some toxic chemicals. The ones that are toxic are going to be bright blue or bright red or maybe green. Those usually come from China and they're soaked in some horrendous chemical that'll give you cancer if you put it in your garden. Sometimes it's not on the end like this, it's on the side. Like here it'll be say like HT blah 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 blah, it'll be really big. In the case of this one, it's printed right here on the inside as well, and it's on the side of this board. So the next step is to decide what kind of, like how much exposure or space you want with your pallet. So you're going to flip it either upside down or right side up. You can see, so the one here has lots of boards. That's for, so that's essentially you're creating lots of rows that are a lot thinner. So you don't want to put something that has a really thick stalk. So maybe you want to put some like leafy greens, Asian greens, I don't know, fennel or something in that one. But something with needs a wider base. You want to go with the other one. So the one at the very end there, you can see that one I flipped it upside down. So it's only got 3 boards on the bottom and a lot more open space, a lot like this one I just showed you with the HT. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is you're going to have to put end boards on, because all these are open on the ends. Often what you can do is find a pallet of the same length, if you don't have a saw or anything, and then just hammer those boards out. And then since they're the same length, you can just hammer them on the next one. All right, so we got the ends all put on there now. Now it's time to fill this thing up, and then we can start planting stuff. So here's all the raised bed pallets all finished. There's 9 of them total. And I also set up a little thing in the corner here so I can move all my excess dirt to there, and anytime I need dirt I can grab it from there. You can see there the big mound of dirt. I need to get that out of the way, so there's 2 raised beds against the fence there that need to go in that spot. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Be sure to subscribe, like the video, and why don't you check out the previous video, and until the next one, have a great day.